Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be showing you a simple method for reverse parallel parking. Follow along and I'll show you when to turn, how much to turn, some useful reference points, and I'll show you how to use the left side mirror to interpret your distance from the curb. I'm going to break it down for you, just one step at a time. Here we go. Start by stopping alongside the target car just after the space. Stop when the end of the target car is in the corner of the backseat window. This reference point will position the end of your car level with the end of the target car. Plan to be no wider than 1 meter away from the target car. Turn the wheel to the left 180 degrees, that's half a full turn. The top of the wheel goes to the bottom and the bottom to the top. The back end of the car is turning towards the curb and the front of the car is swinging slightly into the road. In the left mirror you should notice the angle is changing and the back end of the car is getting closer to the curb. Same on the reverse camera, the angle is changing and the back end is getting nearer to the curb. Using this technique, aim to stop when the back tyre is 2 feet away from the curb. It is difficult to judge 2 feet from inside the car. The moment the curb disappears in the mirror, we should be 2 feet away from the curb. Using the reverse camera, I've learned that 2 feet away from the curb is when the curb almost reaches the red line. Turn the steering wheel quickly to the right to full lock. That's as far as it will go until it will go no further. The back end of the car is turning right and the front is swinging towards the curb. The coloured lines on the reverse cam are on the side of the curb and the car is turning to face the road. As the car turns, we begin to see more pavement and then hopefully the curb. Aiming to be in line with the car in front. It's time to be really slow, just in case we touch the curb. The coloured line is still on the side of the curb. At this point, your car speed should be the same as a snail, so you can stop as soon as your car and the curb are parallel. It's time to straighten the wheels. From full lock, that's 1 1/3 full turns of the wheel. The coloured lines on the reverse camera become straight. We are close to the curb and parallel, and that's the end of the manoeuvre.